Today we're going to look at what is known as the bully pulpit. The best way to win a debate is to make sure that you are the only one that is being heard. Well, that allows information to be unchallenged and even propaganda to seem correct. This seems to be the approach of evolutionists over the last few decades. Now, for those of you that watched Ben Stein's Expelled or other documentaries on the subject, you have been able to see that teachers, professors, and scientists are severely punished if there is any kind of disagreement with the official belief in the theory of evolution. This has included loss of influence, position, or even job. This has been very influential in eliminating any debate on the subject in schools, universities, and scientific circles. Today, evolutionists possess the bully pulpit. So much so that many equate evolution with science. Any opposition seems to be in underground publications, but certainly not in public schools, universities, public television, or science journals. But still, approximately 1/2 of the people in the U.S. do not believe the theory of evolution. How is that possible? Well, the first reason is that for many people, the theory of evolution never quite made sense when they were at school. And that reason relates closely to the second reason. As we have seen, there are literally dozens of scientific facts that disprove the theory. But a bully pulpit can overcome facts. And to a large degree, that is exactly what has occurred. Most people in America never heard of these many facts that disprove the theory. Now, a good example of overcoming facts with propaganda is easily seen in politics today. The so-called mainstream media has been known to be extremely biased when it comes to politicians and events. The liberal politician seems to be treated with kid gloves in comparison to conservatives. Watchdog groups have documented positive coverage of liberal politicians to be many times that of conservatives, and the negative coverage of conservatives to be many times that of liberals. It is generally impossible to discover the real facts unless you receive underground information. This would include conservative publications, talk shows, and news organizations. Without them, it is almost impossible to discover the real truth about political issues. For instance, in the Trayvon Martin case, major television news organizations were caught actually doctoring up the recordings to make it sound like Zimmerman was a racist. Negative coverage of Sarah Palin, whether you like Palin or not, was dozens of times more prevalent than negative coverage of Barack Obama, the actual presidential candidate. Even though it is now becoming known that he has close ties to terrorists in the past, 7 journalists went through Palin's garbage to find dirt on her compared to 0 for Obama. The point is not whether you liked Palin or disliked Obama, or vice versa. The point is that the truth was only learned through the underground media. This is, from my experience, precisely how it is with the subject of evolution. You simply will not discover the truth through scientific journals, schools, universities, or nature shows. It is only through underground sources that you can discover the real truth. This may be in churches, through the internet, little-known books or courses on DVD. You may even be able to find a documentary like Ben Stein's Expelled. Evolutionists unquestionably own the bully pulpit when it comes to the subject of origins. It will only be individuals sharing the underground sources with friends and family members that will continue to expand the real facts concerning evolution. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.